up, ladies and gentlemen? How y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? All right, that's good. That's good. Well, today we're here to talk about oh golly, my VP Racing jug. Brand new, just bought it. 5-gallon jug. You know, has this top right here that comes off and whatnot. As you can see, this is I don't know. This is the big jug. This jug is pretty big. So, yeah. Anyways, when you buy that jug, you can buy it just like that, or you can buy it with a hose. But when you buy it with a hose, it costs a little bit more when you buy it with a hose. I mean, they charge you like $12 or $15 for that hose. Some of them I seen is $20, but I'm gonna show you how to make a hose. I know there's plenty of videos on here showing you how to do this, but I'm gonna make a video showing you how to make this hose. Just in case you need to know. All right. So all you need is these two, a hose, and that right there. That's all you need right there to make this hose. Now, or you can get a little complicated and add these two. And yeah. But I'm gonna show you how to do this. How I'm gonna do it. See, I'm gonna screw this in here. Like so. Pop this in. See, if you just do this like this, if you do it like this, just have these two, and you just have this as a closer, and you can just put it, right into the cap. This cap right here, and you just tighten it in there, and there you go. You got your hose. Or you can do this. Put this in here like this. And now you got a cut off. You can cut it off, and you can cut it on. So yeah, that's what that's for. And you just put it on there. This is just better if I just take that off like that. And you just screw it on. And there you go. And they ain't got a cut off. So you can cut it on and pour your gas and then cut it off. Or you can just use it with this and just have a cap. But I'm doing it both ways. I got a cap and cut off. A little extra, but this is the way I'm doing it. So I don't know which way you want to do it, but you can do it either way. Hope you like, subscribe, and yeah, I know I'm sweating. My AC's out right now, and they got a window unit they put in my apartment. They put a window unit in my bedroom so I can sleep. So yeah, all my parts for my AC, they said they'll be in tomorrow. They had to order everything. I'm getting a whole new unit, but that's beside the point. I hope y'all like, subscribe, thumbs up and whatnot. And yeah, Make your own for like, I think they cost me $5 at the most to make this. I mean, if you make it with the other pieces, it'd be like $2 or $3 to make it with that, instead of paying $12 and $20 for these hoses. So, yeah, I'm out. Peace.